Hey everybody, I'm sitting here editing the video from yesterday's dig and I realized I forgot to do the in-field announcement for my 300 subscriber giveaway. You're not going to want to miss this giveaway. I know 300 is not the big number for subscribers, but it's something that I'm pretty happy about. I have seen my numbers go up fast, or me anyway, over the last couple weeks, and got me to thinking I need to show my appreciation to my subscribers and my viewers. To enter the giveaway, I haven't yet decided on how to do it yet. Maybe you guys have some suggestions you can leave in the comments below. But what I am going to tell you is I'm going to give away a Roman coin out of my personal collection when I hit 300 subscribers. Like I said, 300 subscribers may not be a lot of subscribers to most of you guys, but it's a small stepping stone to my goal. So in order to show my appreciation to all my subscribers, I am going to give away a Roman coin. And I'm really excited to give away this Roman coin just because it shows my appreciation to my subscribers. I'm pretty excited to see who gets it. So stay tuned. We're going to have more details in future videos as I get closer to 300. And when I hit 300, you're not going to want to miss that video. Once I hit 300 subscribers, there'll be all the details needed to enter the giveaway. Alright guys, enjoy the video, happy hunting, good luck to everybody out there, and stay swinging. Alright guys, it's Chris right there. See his big old butt? I don't know what this is. It looks shiny though, doesn't it? Might have a design on it? I don't know. I'm pretty excited. I'll get back to you in a second. All that excitement for a soda can, guys. Yeehaw! Alright, moving on. See you at the next one. Here's the next one, guys. Not sure what it is. It's getting off a good coin signal, so it's copper. But copper's copper, but this is just kind of weird. Might clean up to be something, but don't have any hopes for it. Alright, we'll see you guys on the next one. Alright guys, just found what seems to be something green, giving a good signal. I know you see it right there. Let's see what it is. It's round and it looks like, is it a coin? It appears to be a button. It might be a coin. I'm not sure. Gonna have to clean it up. I'll put a picture in it, but I kind of see the middle right there. Looks like a button. Oh well, moving on. Alright guys, finally got my first coin. It doesn't look that old, it's definitely milled. It's right there in the top of the plug. Let's see what it is. And it's a 2p, 2 pence. Ah, stupid, so stupid. But it's a coin, and it's on pasture. So I guess it's a woohoo. Alright guys, we'll see you on the next one. Another rough day on pasture land. I can't wait until after harvest season. Hopefully we get a really good field after harvest with the Pink Wellies group close to the house. Only about 37 minutes from my house their first dig is supposed to be, so looking forward to that. But anyway, I just found something kind of interesting finally. I'll show you what it is. I don't know what it is. It's pretty massive. Looks like it's hollow inside. I don't know. Let me wipe off the camera. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit and get a better shot for you guys. Alright, see you at the next one. Alright, next find. I hit it with the shovel, but luckily it's nothing of importance, I don't think. It's just a big old silver, I wish. Just a big old iron ring up. I was jumping all around, but it had 37 and 34 in it on the Safari. So I thought it was actually going to be something more decent than this, but for the way today's going so far, I'm happy with it. It's just an iron ring of some sort, but I'm happy with it. Moving on. Might be the most interesting find so far. Looks like maybe a buckle. Not exactly sure though. See it right there in the claw, dirt clod. Looking like a buckle though. Let's see. Break it apart. Yep, nice buckle. That is a nice buckle actually. I'm happy with that. That is the best find today. Where did that go? I will put some of that Renaissance wax on that and it will look very nice. Alright, really happy with that. We'll see you guys at the next one. Might have a coin here. I see this imprint in my plug. So, we're going to dig it up and see what we can find in here. I'll be right back. Well, I was right. There is the imprint and there is the coin. It looks like an older 1 pound coin. Really, probably not even spendable. That's how far gone it is. But I'll try and clean it up when I get to the house. Find out if it's a 1 pound or anything else. But I don't think anything else is this shape, size, thickness. Looks like a 1 pound coin. Anyway, that's another coin for the pasture field today. Alright guys, we'll see you on the next hole. Alright, next signal. Nothing real nice. Nothing real awesome. But it's got some green patina on it. And you know what? I really just like the way the metal looks when it's the green patina like that. Especially with that Renaissance wax. So, I'm going to clean it up, put some wax on it, and we're going to see what it looks like after that. Alright guys, we'll see you at the next one. Got another coin. Looks to be a bit older. Let's see what it is. Can't really see much on it. It's an old one. Very happy with this. I'll clean it up and give you guys a picture in the video. Alright, on to the next one. This one might have just made my day. It's probably not even that old. Alright, see you at the next one. Alright guys, here's a roundup from yesterday. A lot of items on here I didn't record because I just got fed up with the way the things were going. Remember this? This one was that hollow piece that I showed you guys. Still not sure what it is, but it's obviously very modern with threads on it. Inside doesn't have anything. Probably kind of a piece of equipment or something. Plenty of cow tubes, that's just a few of the ones. And shotgun shells that I found in the woods when I went in there. that's pretty much all the trash. These two big old pieces of lead right here, pretty nice. They'll go in the bag that I will recycle later. Get some money for those. This is pretty interesting. It's like a giant ratchet wrench thing. I don't know. Pretty cool. This here, old can, not sure, maybe, I don't know. Junk. This was nice. It's very modern too. It's got numbers on it and everything. Not sure what it is. This is the piece I told you guys I was going to put some wax on because I like the color. I don't know why. I'm weird like that, but I like patina. I like metal with patina, so I'm actually going to keep that. Just who knows. Okay. This one was interesting. Don't know what it is. I still don't know what it is, but because of the color, I'm going to say it's old. It's got some weird lines in it, so I don't think it was like cast or anything like that, but it's not all the way through. You can see the end's got to stop. I don't know what it is. Anybody have any ideas? Leave it in the comment section below. There's that buckle I got. Probably the most exciting, best find for me of the day. I put some wax on it, and boy, does it look nice. I'm gonna keep that one. Yeah. This is a £1 coin, 1995. Here's the other coin I found at the very last find, actually, and it is. I believe it is a half penny. I don't know, but nothing special, nothing real old. But yeah, it was the oldest coin of the day that I found. This was cool and interesting to find. All I seen was a little bit of it. It was kind of real shiny. I thought, oh, I hit silver, but it's definitely not silver. It looks like some kind of stainless steel, maybe a fork off of a piece of equipment or something for picking up the grass off the pasture, bundling it up. I don't know, you know, kind of like a pitchfork. Here's that one iron ring. Still don't know what it is. If you have any ideas, please leave it in the comment section below. And then I found this ring as well. Roman thumb ring, that's what I'm calling it. See that? Perfect. I don't know. I don't know what it is, but probably nothing spectacular or of much meaning, but yeah. Anyways, guys, thanks again for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't done that already, and watch out for the next announcement for the 300 subscriber giveaway. Alright guys, have a great day.